everybody. Welcome to the session. Hi Ayush, welcome everybody. I hope all of you had a blast of a day. So here we are with yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders after so long time. है ना? What? Literally after a week we're going live. And yes, we are definitely refreshed. As you all know, we had 1 week long Diwali vacations and all. And it was quite refreshing for all the teachers. And yes, welcome back everybody. Hi Atulya, hi Sushma, hi Ayush, hi Arav. Welcome. Call in your friends because we are going to have some amazing fun back on this channel. Because yes, we are back with the live videos again from this week. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the like button. And if you're someone new, let me tell you, here, this is Vedantu Young Wonders, India's leading junior channel, जहाँ पे बस academics की बात ही नहीं करते हम लोग. We are going to talk about a lot of informative videos, what's happening around, lot of fun, and आपको entertainment भी मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. Hi Naveen, hi Mona Lisa, hello. You're from 6th grade. Hi Sushma, no worries. So today, the topic that we're going to do today is relatable for 6th grade also. We have done basic geometrical ideas, so lines and angles. You learn something really new, and lines and angles is a very important topic for grade 7th as well. So everybody who is in grade 7th, quickly give me a heart right now. Does not matter which color, just give me a heart right now. Hi Aditya, welcome to the session. This is your Master Teacher Haripriya, and I am here to make maths easy peasy, pizza cheesy for all of you. And today we are going to do the NCERT highlights, the most important questions from your NCERT textbook that might end up coming in your exams of the chapter Lines and Angles. ठीक है? We're going to do that. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is haripriya.vedantu. So recently I took an amazing refreshing vacation to Wayanad and Pondicherry. So you can find out everything about that. There is going to come a video about Pondicherry also on Vedantu Young Wonders this week Sunday or probably next week for sure. So I hope you'll have fun with all of that. Okay? Okay. I watched first time your video. Hi Sia, welcome to all the first timers, and do not forget to be consistent on this channel. Do not forget to be regular because you will just start loving this channel. Hi DK Glory, quiz जरूर होगा बच्चा, जरूर होगा, ठीक है? Okay, purple heart for you. Thank you so much Sushma. Yes, BTS Army. Awesome. Quiz होगा, quiz जरूर होगा, ठीक है? Ma'am, a point is a geometrical shape which has 0 length, 0 breadth. Mona Lisa, you are right. It is a 0-dimensional figure, you can say. It just defines the position of a particular location of a particular point. Hi Aditya, hi Manju, welcome. Chalo, let us get started. Call in all your friends because we'll have some amazing fun in today's class. And today's chapter is going to be lines and angles. So before we get started with what we are going to do in, चैप्टर्स में मतलब कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन से क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम ये रिवाइज करने वाले हैं कि इस चैप्टर में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा है. व्हाट ऑल डिड वी रीड इन दिस चैप्टर. सो गाइज, दिस इज नथिंग बट योर एनसीईआरटी का टेक्स्ट बुक का पीडीएफ वर्जन. सो आई एम गोइंग टू हाईलाइट फ्यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट विल एंड अप कमिंग 1 मार्क में, मैच द फॉलोइंग में, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में, इन योर स्लिप टेस्ट और यूनिट टेस्ट. ठीक है? ओके, यस. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box right now. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Come on, guys. Thank you so much, Sia. मैम 8th क्लास का टाइम टेबल बताइए. मधु, आई हैंडल ग्रेड 7th एंड ग्रेड 6th. आपको अगर 8th क्लास का टाइम टेबल चाहिए तो एक बार प्लीज सना मैम को आप मैसेज कर देना. मैम का भी लाइव आने वाला है इस हफ्ते, सब लोग लाइव आने वाले हैं, तो यू कैन जस्ट मैसेज देम देयर. ठीक है? ओके, ग्रेड 6 और 7 का मैं बता सकती हूँ, मैं हर रोज आप लाइव आऊंगी यहाँ पे ग्रेड 6 और 7 का कंटेंट लेके और एक पुलर वीडियो लेके, मतलब थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेटिव थोड़ा फन वीडियो लेके, ठीक है। मैं तो हर रोज ही आने वाली हूँ, तो आप हर रोज 5 बजे ओके या रात के 9 बजे, these are my timings, ठीक है। इवनिंग 5 o'clock, नाइट 9 o'clock, these are my timings. I'll go live all throughout the week in these 2 timings, ठीक है। Okay. Hi, Ribbon. Thank you so much for coming after a really, really long time. So let us get started and see what are the important topics that we have in this particular chapter. पहले तो what is a line and angle? Lines maybe we have learnt about line segment, ray and a line. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Line has no endpoints. You keep on stretching it. It will keep stretching forever. And then you have a ray which has a starting point but no ending point. After that, we have learnt about a line, about an angle. What is an angle? How is it formed? When you have 2 rays with a common starting point, that is when you can say that an angle is formed. If I have a common vertex, common starting point for 2 rays, common vertex for 2 rays. Now this is called as an angle. If I say OA and OB, Alexa stop. अलार्म अभी बजने लगा, मैंने 5 बजे का अलार्म लगाया था कि 5 बजे सेशन है, मुझे रिमाइंड कर दो एलेक्सा, 5:07 में बज रहा है, वाह। एनीवेज, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एन एंगल. योर OA and OB are the rays of the angle but are also called as the arms of the angle. Now we have learnt about angle related angles. Matlab when you add 2 angles, what if they add up to 90 degrees, they are called as complementary angles. If I take 2 angles and if they add up to 90 degrees, they are called as complementary. For example, 30 and 60. When I add 30 degrees and 60 degrees, I am getting the answer as 90 degree. So what is 30 and 60? They are called as complementary angles. 60 का complement है 30, 30 का complement है 60. 65 and 35 are also complementary angles. What is the complement of 35? Come on, tell me in the chat box. What is the complement of the angle 35? Yay, Deepak. That is amazing, bacha. That is amazing. Okay. I hope you'll score 100 upon 100 or, in your exams. What is the complement of 35? It's not 55. Yes, amazing. 35 plus 55 is giving you 90, right? So what is the complement of 35? Yes, it is 55 degree because when you add them up, it is equal to 90 degrees. Very good, Atulya, Moha, Mona Lisa. Very good. ठीक है? Awesome. So now you know what are complementary angles. When you add 2 angles and if it is equal to 90 degree, you can call them as complementary angles. Now, let us find out what is the measure of the complement of each of the angle. Come on, you tell me, what is the complement of 45? What is the complement of 45? Come on, let me see who answers this first. What is the complement of 45? Exactly, Mona Lisa got it right. नहीं, हम क्विज में लेंगे दीपक, ठीक है? Yes, the complement of 45 is 45 because when you add them, it should be equal to 90 degrees. Very good. Now let's talk about supplementary angles. Supplementary starts with an S, है ना? Supplementary किससे start होता है? S से. Our 180 degree is a straight angle which starts with an S. So 2 angles, when you add them, if the sum of 2 angles is equal to 180 degrees, then you can say that they are supplementary to each other. What is the supplement of 90 degrees? Can somebody tell me? What is the supplement of 90 degree? What is the supplement of 90 degree? Atulya got it right. Anokhi got it right. Mona Lisa got it right. Exactly. The Supplement of 90 is 90 because when you add them up, it should be giving you 180 degree. Very good everybody. So 180 are supplement to each other. 100 का supplement है 80, 80 का supplement है 100. Why? Because when you add them up, it is giving you 180 degrees, right? So that is called they are called as supplementary angles. Now, what is the supplement of 125? Can somebody say? What is the supplement of 125? Can somebody tell me? Come on. Let me see who says this first. I asked for supplement, bacha. Atulya, supplement. Exactly, Mona Lisa got it right. The supplement is 55 because when you add them up, it is equal to 180 degree. Not 65, it's 55. 55 plus 125 will give you 180. So they are called as supplementary angles. And then we have our adjacent angles. A lot of my students get confused in adjacent angles. Guys, you have to remember three things. When do you say that two angles are adjacent? When they have a common vertex, when they have a common arm, and the non-common arms. Matlab, arms which are not common are on the opposite side of the common arm. Now, a lot of students get confused here कि मैम ये क्या हो रहा है? So, for example, if I take a point and I am going to draw three rays using that point. ठीक है? So, you have point O, vertex O. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, you have angle AOB and BOC. Now, I am saying that they are adjacent to each other. Why? Because they have a common vertex. What is the common vertex? O is a common vertex. O is a common point for all the three rays. They have a common arm. What is a common arm? Your OB is common. Your OB is there in angle AOB. Angle AOB may you have OB. Angle BOC may also you have OB or BO. Same hai na? So they have a common arm. And arms which are not common. What arms are not common? Your OA and OC are not common. So arms which are not common are on the opposite directions. One is to the left, one is to the right, are on the either side of the common arm. Got it? So these are the three conditions to be satisfied if an angle is if two angles are said to be adjacent angles. Now let us look at this very interesting diagram here. Now for angle 2, this is the vertex. For angle 1, this is the vertex. They do have this as a common arm, but do you think that angle 1 and 2 are adjacent? Yes or no? Hi Ritika, welcome to the session. Guys, do you think that angle 1 and 2 in this one are adjacent? Exactly. The answer here is no. They are not adjacent to each other. Why? They don't have a common arm. They don't have a common vertex. So it is not an adjacent angle. So two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and the two non-common arms which are not common, are on the opposite sides of the common arm. And then we have learnt about linear pair of angles. Now for angles to be linear pair, they first have to be adjacent angles. Okay? Once they are adjacent angles, that is the first condition. Second condition is they should be lying on a straight line so that they add up to 180 degree. So if your doubt is, ma'am, what is the difference between a linear pair and a supplementary angle? Supplementary angle need not be adjacent. But linear pair of angles have to be adjacent. Okay? So if two angles are adjacent, they have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and the two non-common arms are on the opposite side, then they are called as linear pair of angles, है ना? And they add up to 180 degree. These are the two conditions you have to remember for linear pair of angles. Condition number 1, they need to be adjacent angles. Condition number 2, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. They need to be on a straight line. Then you can say that it is a linear pair of angles. And then we have our vertically opposite angles. Now when two lines intersect, at the point of intersection you can see these angles forming, right? So they are called as vertically opposite angles. They only have a common vertex. So these two angles are called as vertically opposite angles and they are equal to each other. Similarly, this angle Y is equal to angle Y here. They are vertically opposite angles and they are equal to each other. We have learned supplementary, complementary, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles, right? So let's move forward and do our first exercise ka third question. Come on, everybody. I want you guys to answer this in the live chat. Okay? Hi, Neil Johnson. Hello, hello. Ma'am, in Vedantu can teach Sanskrit? No, we don't teach Sanskrit in Vedantu, bacha. Okay? Chalo. Identify the following pairs which are complementary and which are supplementary. Let's talk about the first one here. Pehla question. 65 and 115. Are they complementary or supplementary? Mona Lisa has got the answer. They are supplementary. What are they? They are supplementary. Why? When you add them, it is equal to, the sum is equal to 180 degree. Very good. Hi Chitrita, welcome. Second one, what about the second one? Exactly. Second one also is supplementary because they add up to 180 degree. Third one. Third one, are they also supplementary? Complementary. Awesome, Sia. Well done everybody. Atulya, Mona Lisa, Shrihita. Awesome. Yes, Anokhi, you are right. You're right. So here it is complementary. Why? Because when you add them, it is equal to 90 degrees. Next question. An angle is greater than 45 degrees. Is its complementary also greater than 45? Yeah, equal to 45? Yeah, less than 45. There is some angle X whose value is greater than 45. Now, the complementary of X, let's say Y. When do you say that they are complementary? When they add up to 90 degrees. If this angle is greater than 45, so Y has to be less than 45? Yeah, greater than 45? Yeah, equal to 45. You tell me. No, Sia, they can't be equal because X is greater than 45. Atulya got it right. Atul, A-T-H-U-L, Atul, M-B. How do I pronounce your name? Yeah, exactly. Your Y should be less than 45. Let us take an example. For example, if I take X is equal to 50, 50 is greater than 45. Do you all agree? Yes. So if X is equal to 50, then your Y has to be 40, which is less than 45. है ना? So if X is greater than 45, your Y has to be less than 45. Only then they will add up to 90 degrees. Please remember that. See, the sum has to be equal to 90 degrees. P is already greater than 45. So what will happen if I add Q on both the sides here? Plus Q plus Q. But P plus Q has to be 90. So 90 degrees is greater than 45 plus Q. So if plus 45, when I take it to the other side, it will become 45 greater than Q. So basically Q will be less than 45. That is just common sense. है ना? चलो, let's move forward with the next question. Okay. Anyways, this other question is hidden here, but let's move forward. Okay. The first question, looking at the image. Can somebody tell me? Is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Yes or no? Come on, you just have to answer yes or no. Can you say that they are adjacent? Yes, they are adjacent. They have a common vertex and a common arm. And the two non-common arms are on the opposite sides. Sia, the answer is yes, they are adjacent to each other. Okay. Second question. Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? Second one. Angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. No, Sia got it right. The answer here is no. Guys, they are overlapping. Your angles, your adjacent angles should not overlap. So here you have, okay, so this is your AOC. The one I'm painting in red is AOC, right? The one I'm painting in blue. The one I'm painting in blue is your AOE. Your blue and red are overlapping. That should not happen if the angles are adjacent. So are they adjacent? The answer is no. They are not adjacent to each other. Okay? The answer is no, they are not adjacent. Are angle BOD, that is angle 4, and angle DOA, angle 5, supplementary, yes or no? Angle 4 and 5 are supplementary, yes or no? Atulya, do you know now? Do you know why? Okay, do you know why the answer is no now? Hi Yashasvi. Awesome. Yes, the answer here is yes, they are supplementary because they are lying on a straight line and they are adjacent. So they are linear pair and linear pairs are always supplementary. Awesome. Awesome. Next question. Is angle 1 vertically opposite to 4? Angle 1 and 4, are they vertically opposite angles? Yes or no? Mona Lisa got it right again. Awesome. The answer is yes, they are vertically opposite to each other. Very good. Very good, everybody. What is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Which angle is vertically opposite to angle 5? Hi, Abhilasha. Which angle? Only 2? Mona Lisa got it right again, guys. 2 and 3. Your 2 and 3 are vertically opposite to angle 5. Yes, it's angle 2 and angle 3. Awesome, Sia. Awesome, Aditya. Very well done, Mona. Good job, Abhilasha, Atul. Awesome, awesome. Your next question. Find the values of angle X, Y and Z in the following. First, let's talk about X. What is the value of X? Come on, I want all of you to answer in the chat box. What is the value of X? Atul got it right. Mona got it right. Mona Lisa, Atulya. Exactly. 55 degrees. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So if this is 55, this will also be 55 degrees. Now, what about Y? What is the value of Y? Mona Lisa got it right. Sia got it right. 125. Why? Because your X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. They are linear pair. They are lying on a straight line and they are adjacent to each other. So your X plus Y is equal to 180. So your Y is 180 minus 55, which is equal to 125 degree. Amazing, amazing. So what about Z? What will be the value of Z? Hi SM gamers. What will be the value of Z? This question came in my midterms. Yes, see, it's an important question. Exactly. Your Z is also 125. What are the properties we used? We used vertically opposite angles are equal and we used linear pair of angles are supplementary. Chalo. Again, find the values of X, Y and Z. First, let's talk about Z. Okay, let's talk about Z. What is the value of Z? Hi, Goku. What is the value of Z? Awesome, awesome. Well done, everybody. 40 degrees. Now, since Z is equal to 40 degrees, can you find out Y? Can you find out Y? What is the value of Y? Guys, do not forget to hit the like button right now. We'll not start the week quiz without the like button. Come on, come on, come on. Shrihita, we will be doing all the chapters. Don't worry. Exactly. Your Y is equal to 140 degree. Why? Because your Z and angle Y are linear pair. They add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 40, Y has to be 140. What about X? What about X? Hi Ananya's Choreo. Hi Dhanashri. Welcome to the session. Everybody who is new, first of all, a huge hello and welcome to the session. Do not forget to hit the like button if you haven't hit the like button yet. What about angle X? Can someone tell me what is the value of X? Mona Lisa has got it right. Because, guys, your X plus 25, your X plus 25 is equals to angle Y. Because these lines are intersecting. है ना? So this angle is equal to this angle. So X plus 25 is Y. So what is your X? Y minus 25. Y is 140. 140 minus 25 will give you 115. So X is equal to 115. Very good. Very good. Awesome. Okay. So this is how you got the solution. Your Y is 140. Your X is 115. And then we have what? X, Y and Z is 40. Right? Z is your 40. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, can we do with linear pair? Yes, yes. Goku, you can do with linear triplets also. You can see that your 40 plus X plus 25 is equal to 180. They're linear triplets because they're three angles. Okay. You can do with that as well. Okay. What is going on here, Dhanashri? We are revising the entire chapter of lines and angles. Okay. Chalo. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. Which of the following are obtuse vertically opposite angles? Can I say that angle BOC and angle what? BOC and BOD. Sorry, AOD. Can I say they are our exactly? Good job, Sia, Goku. Very good, very good. It's AOD and BOC. Adjacent complementary angles. What are adjacent complementary angles? Adjacent complementary angles. EOD, very good. Very good. EOD and there should be another angle, no? EOD and oh, we want complementary. EOD can't be complementary. Sorry. EOD is 90 degrees. Exactly. You have angle AOB and angle AOE. Angle AOB and AOE are complementary. They add up to 90 degrees. Very good. Equal supplementary angles. Equal supplementary angles. Equal supplementary angles. Yes, Srihita got it right. It's BOE and EOD. They are supplementary. Very good. Unequal supplementary angles. Can somebody say that? Unequal but supplementary. Awesome. Dhanashri got it right. AOE and EOC. Very good. Very good, everybody. Very well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Chalo. So before we move forward with exercise number 2, let me quickly see what are all the topics we'll be learning. We're going to learn about pair of lines. Okay? Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to erase this. We will be learning about pairs of lines. Pairs of lines as in, you will see in a very different way. One is the intersecting lines. When two lines intersect, what is that? You can see there are angles which are forming. So this is one example of an pairs of lines. Which one? Intersecting lines. And then you have a transversal. What is a transversal? If I say that they are random two lines, and then there is a third line which is cutting both of them at two different points. So this third line is called as a transversal. What is the definition? It's right here. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points. Distinct means different. If a line is intersecting two or more lines in different points, then that line is called as a transversal. Okay. Now, when that happens, you can see that there are angles which are formed. See, when you look at this, there are two lines L and M, and there is a transversal P. So, when the transversal P cuts line L and M, there are angles which are forming. है ना? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 angles which are forming. And we have named them also. The first one is interior angles. All the angles lying inside the interior region of the two lines are called as interior angles. Okay, why am I not able to erase this? Interior angles. Exterior angles is angles lying on the outside of the two lines. For example, 1, 2, 7 and 8 are exterior angles. Then we have pair of corresponding angles. What is a corresponding angle? Angle on the same side of the transversal, but one angle in the interior and the other angle in the exterior region. So you can say 2 and 6 are corresponding. They are on the same side of the transversal P, but 2 is in the exterior, 6 is in the interior. Then you have alternate interior angles. 3 and 6 are alternate interior. Why interior? Because they are lying in between the two lines. Alternate because one is on the left, one is on the right side of the transversal. They are on the opposite sides of the transversal. Then you have similarly alternate exterior angle. Exterior is both the angles are lying on the outside region. For example, angle 1 and angle 8. They are alternate because one is to the left, the other is to the right, and both of them are in the exterior region. So they are called as alternate exterior angles. And then you have co-angles, angles on the same side of the transversal. So you can say 2, 4, 6 and 8. All of them are co-angles because they are lying on the same side of the transversal. Now, when the two lines become parallel to each other, then you can say that alternate interior angles are equal. Corresponding angles are supplementary. Corresponding each pair of interior angles are on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, right? Co-angles are supplementary, and we have our corresponding corresponding angles equal to each other. Three conditions are there, guys. What are the three conditions? Corresponding angles are equal in measure. Yeah, first condition. Your corresponding angles will be equal. Your alternate interior angles are equal. And co-interior angles are supplementary. Angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. When do these three conditions satisfy? Only when the two lines L and M are parallel to each other. Then you can say that they are corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and co-interior angles are supplementary. These three conditions are satisfied. Okay. Thank you, Shrihita. There is nothing called alternate opposite angles. No, there's nothing like that. Alternate angles are only on the opposite directions. Okay? Okay. So how do you check that two lines are parallel? By checking these three conditions. Okay? Chalo, let's do exercise 5.2. The first questions on your screen. If angle ABC is 70 degrees, then find angle DGC. Come on. Can somebody tell me what is the value of DGC? Goku got it right. Goku, can you tell me the reason why? Can you tell me the reason why? Why is it 70? Exactly. Corresponding angles. Your angle ABC and angle DGC are corresponding. They are on the same side of the transversal BC. So they are equal to each other. So your DGC is also 70 degrees. What is DEF? What is DEF? What is DEF? Come on. Can somebody tell me? 70? Why? Why is it 70? Why is it 70, guys? Exactly. Because it is again corresponding angles. When BC and EF are parallel, and your DC is a transversal, DE is a transversal, then this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal to each other when the lines are parallel. Chalo, your next question. In the figure, L is parallel to M. Find the value of X. What is the value of X? Hi, Jishnu. Please don't spam, bacha. What is the value of X? In the given figure, decide whether L is parallel to M. Okay, X is also 75. Can I say that L and M are parallel? Question mark. Decide if L and M are parallel to each other. Yes or no? Can I say that L and M are parallel? No. Why? Why? Give me a reason, Goku. Why? Corresponding angles are not equal. Why? Because here, this angle would be 105. If this is 105, but this is 75. So your corresponding angles are not equal. Yes, interior angles, alternate interior angles are also not equal. So they are not parallel to each other. Very good, very good. Now, here in this figure, can I say that L and M are parallel? Yes or no? In this figure, can I say that the two lines are parallel? Yes or no? And why? Why? Why are they parallel? If your answer is no, why are they not parallel? Give me reason. Okay, if I take this. Exactly, Goku, you got it right. So if I use linear pair of angle, I will get this angle to be 57 because 57 plus 153 is 180 degree. If this is 57, this is also 57. So what are they? Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal to each other. So what can we say when corresponding angles are equal? The lines are parallel to each other. Okay? So, chalo, let us get started with the quiz. But before we get started, I'll quickly tell you how can you do the quizzes. So, go to our video which is happening right now. The video that you're watching right now. Video which is happening right. 1 minute. So, the video that you're watching right now, go to that. The link in the description. You can see the link here. Click here for we quiz. Oh, let me become Chutanku. So, sorry. Let me become Chutanku here. Okay, you're seeing this? We click here for we quiz. Click on that first link in the description box and let us get started. Chalo. Come on. If you want the code is 227448. We quiz ka code is 227448. Come on guys, I want all of you to quickly join. I'll start in just 2 minutes. Give me a yo in the chat box once you have joined so that I will know that you joined. Hurry up. I can see 2 students have already joined. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Okay. Joined? Awesome. Joseph, you also joined? Amazing. I can see 4 people. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Hurry up. Okay, I will start in 3, 2, 1 and here we go with the first question on your screens, everybody. Which of the following statements is true? 2 obtuse angles can be complementary to each other. 2 acute angles can be complementary to each other. 2 right angles can be complementary to each other. 1 obtuse, 1 acute angle can be complementary to each other. Which of the following statements is true? Looks like 2 of them is true. Hi, Shruti. Three, 2, 1. That is a time up. Okay. Which of the following statement is true? 2 acute angles can be complementary. Complementary means what? They should add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary is S. S means straight angle. But complementary is 2 acute angles can be complementary to each other. If they are acute angles, they can add up to 90 degrees. Guys, it's such an easy peasy one. So we have Kritishna and a dot on the leaderboard. Rest, I'm not reading your name. You only have 0 points. Your second question's on your screens, everyone. Hi, Jaisha. Thank you so much. What is the measure of the complement of the angle 80 degree? What is the measure of the complement of angle 80 degree? 3, 2, 1. Come on, I want all of you to get it right. Who is this? Huh? Who is this which is telling 80 and 100? Guys, what do you mean by a complement? Complement means they should add up to 90 degrees. Supplement is they should add up to 180 degrees. So 80 plus 10 is 90. So they are complement to each other. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Kritishna, Murali, and Dot and Shrihita. Well done. Your third question's on your screens, everybody. Acha, Aditi, you are the Dot. Okay, okay. Why did you choose this job? Because this is something I love to do. The measure of the angle which is equal to its supplement is. The measure of the angle which is equal to its supplement is what? Awesome. Look at this, guys. Amazing. किसी की नजर ना लगे आपको. Yes, it is 90 degrees. Because 90 plus 90 is 180. So they are supplements to each other. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Kritishna, Murli, Shrihita, Dot and Jazeb. Very good, guys. Very good. Let's move forward with the fourth question on your screen. Which of the following statements is true? Which of the following statements is true? "30 seconds, hurry up." Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, guys. The timer's about to go. I hope you have read all the options very carefully. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a time up. Ooh, very good, very good, very good, everybody. The correct answer is option D. Two right angles can form a linear pair. Why? Because they add up to 180 degrees. Linear pair always adds up to 180 degree. We have Kritishna, Shrihita, Murli, Aditi and Jazeb. Your fifth question and the last questions on your screen. In the following figure, two straight lines AB and CD intersect each other at O and the angle thus formed are marked. Find the value of x minus y. I want the value of x minus y. Jazeb, can you please refresh? I want angle x minus angle y. 2, 1, that is, come on, 20 seconds, hurry up. And the timer is starting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You can't join because it's the last question, Blackpink. You're a little late. Guys, the correct answer is option number A, 56. Guys, angle Y will be 62. So what will be the angle value of angle X? 180 minus 62. Yes, do you all agree to that? Yes or no? What is the value of angle X? Can somebody tell me? How will you get the value of angle X? Exactly, it's 118. So we have to find out 118 minus 62, which is equal to 56. Very bad, very bad. Let's look at the final leaderboard here. Amazing. We have Kritishna on the top. Then we have Shrihita and Murali. Good job, everybody, on the leaderboard. Top 3. Very well done. Very well done. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So that is all for today. Do not forget to do the homework question and let me know the answers in the comment section right now after the video ends. Okay? So I will be seeing you again in the next class. Until then, thank you so much. Tomorrow I'm going to go live for grade 6th at 9 p.m. Okay? So see you all tomorrow sharp at 9 p.m. Bye-bye and take care.